Hello children, today I will discuss with you about grade 9 CBSE history map work. As per 2020-21 syllabus, the first map I'll be explaining to you for your forthcoming exam or final exam. So in chapter 1 history, you studied about the French Revolution, children, and from that chapter, as per the latest syllabus this year 2020-21, you'll be learning to mark or to locate, to label these places only. There are 4 places in France. First one is Bordeaux, second one Nantes, third Paris, and fourth Marseille. Bordeaux, Nantes, Paris, and Marseille. So you'll be learning to locate, to mark exactly where these places are located on the given France map. As you know, Bordeaux is a very famous port city. It is famous for its monuments, and this city is considered as the largest protected city as per UNESCO. This is listed in UNESCO World Heritage. This is listed as UNESCO World Heritage. This is a port city and famous for wine, castles, and historic monuments. So this was about Bordeaux. The second city, Nantes or Nantes. This city is not a port city. This is around 50 kilometers from Atlantic Sea coast. So this place is also mentioned in a syllabus to mark. And as you know, Paris is the capital city, and it is the most populated city in France. Fourth one, Marseille or Marseilles, is also famous city, children, and this is located on the Mediterranean Sea coast. So it is one of the largest cities of France. These 4 places you are supposed to know and mark exactly. Sometimes the mark labeling will be given, then in that case you have to identify the place. You have to write the name of the city or place, and the map question can be asked in a different manner. Then the place name will be mentioned, or the clue will be given for the city. Then you have to put the dot, or you have to locate exactly where the place is located and label it. So 4 places. So before knowing about these 4 places, first have a look. On this world map, France is located here. You can see I am just showing this on the map. So this is whole Africa, just above that Europe, and in Europe, so this particular place where I am just showing you is France. And next map, exactly in Europe, you can find out this is where I am showing you right now is France, and neighboring countries are Spain, you have Germany, you have Belgium, and Switzerland, okay, all, and also neighboring state is Italy. France is surrounded by or bordered by all these countries: Belgium, then Germany, then you have Switzerland, then Italy, okay. And moving towards the left side, towards the western side, and towards the southern side, you have Spain, and just western side of Spain is Portugal. So this is the exact location of the country France. So in France we have all these places we need to mark in your map marking exam, and you need to put the dots exactly, that is the exact location. So this map will be given in the exam, okay, either this kind of map or only outline. This is all these is divided, the whole like we have in India, all the states, similarly they have the provinces, okay. So when we talk about one by one, we'll see, okay, first one, okay, on the top you can see the location of Paris, the capital city. The moving down and it left to the western side of France, okay, little away from the sea coast, Atlantic sea coast, we have a dot here. That place is Nantes, okay, and it is mentioned that it is around some 50 kilometers away from the sea coast. Then again moving towards south of this map, okay, and we have a port city, very famous port city, Bordeaux, and this city is a historical city, this this city is the largest protected city mentioned, and the city has been listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Such a wonderful city, and tourists from all over the world throng to see the city or the monuments. So this is the port city, Bordeaux, and moving towards the right side, to the eastern side, again towards south, the southernmost part of France, we have this city called Marseille or Marseilles. This city is located on the Mediterranean sea coast, and it is one of the largest cities of France. So these 4 places, children, you need to learn to mark for your annual examination. In your next exam, the full paper from history, map, you'll be given a few places. So first, in this chapter, French Revolution, this chapter, these 4 places are names are mentioned in the textbook or NCERT book, and these places marking you should be aware of. With Paris, it is on the northern side. Then towards the western side you have Nantes and Bordeaux, and towards the southern side, southeast region, this city you can find it, Marseille or Marseilles. And this map, children, can be given like this, okay, like blank. You need to put the dot and write the name of the place. The map can be given like this with the internal boundaries, and it can be given like this also. Approximately you need to mark all these places, your Paris, your Marseille, your Bordeaux, your Nantes. So you can mark all these places. So thank you children. For today I have explained to you the map work, what you are supposed to know, to locate from the first chapter, and that is there in your syllabus. I hope you have understood this particular map, and if you have understood and if you have liked it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. I will be motivated to bring more videos for all of you. Thank you children, thank you very much, and bye.